Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Today I want to share with you the AJAZZ 100% Blackout curtain. I use it as a curtain on a rod, but it also has the option to work as a room divider if you ever need that. The quality is excellent. The fabric is thick, soft, and hangs really nicely. I chose the cream white and it has a clean modern look that fits beautifully with the home decor. The blackout feature is amazing. It really blocks out the light, which is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or covering big windows and sliding doors. It even reduces some outside noise, which is a big bonus for me. I personally just use it as a curtain, but it's nice to know that you can also set it up as a divider if you want to separate spaces. That makes it super versatile. Overall, I think Jazz Blackout Curtains is worth it. They're high quality material, excellent blackout performance, and the bonus that it can double as a divider. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.